entire APAC elementary school in Jackson Public School District. The concept that I will be teaching today is opinion writing, and the strategy that we're going to use is Oreo. Oreo is one of my favorite snacks. So when I'm asked a question, what do I think or what my opinion is, I like to use the strategy Oreo. Before we can begin just talking about what opinion writing is and how to incorporate the Oreo strategy, we must first know what it means to write an opinion. What is an opinion? Opinion is your viewpoint, what you believe, what you think about a topic. So now that we know, or we've had a quick review of what an opinion is, let's talk about the steps that you use for Oreo writing. Just like with the Oreo cookie, it's spelled the same way. Let's see, the acronym Oreo, O-R-E-O. We follow those steps in our writing. The O stands for opinion, R is the reason, E is example, and I also like to use the word evidence. And also O is for opinion. And you see that twice on our chart, and we're going to talk about that in just a second. So in each step, you do something different in your writing. The first step for opinion is, for Oreo writing, is opinion. And in this step, you want to talk about how you feel about the topic. What is your opinion? That's the first thing you want to do. The second step is the reason. You want to answer or inform your audience, why do you feel that way? Tell us the reason, because what? Some examples is the next stage. You provide some examples or some evidence. You support your opinion with maybe something you've read, something you have experienced before, and that would just make your opinion stronger for your audience. And at the end, you want to bring it back to your opinion. Now, I normally get a lot of questions in this step here. Ms. Funchess, do I need a new opinion? No, you have the same opinion that you started with. You restate it as a conclusion at the end of your writing. That brings me to my next point. In our writing, we like to use transition words, and that's a very important step in the writing. So there are some Oreo transition words that I've jotted down just to help you know how to transition from one stage of the writing into the next. When you're first writing your opinion, for the O here, you can start with some things like, I think the best part of something is, or in my opinion. The next step is the R for reason again, and some transition words you can use are also, most importantly, one reason, another reason, and in this stage of Oreo opinion writing, you can list more than one reason. That's perfectly okay. The next stage of opinion writing for Oreo strategy is the E, and some transition words you can use are, for example, additionally, an example is, and you can keep going, another example. And remember, you can include anything from a text or your experiences, anything you've read here in this example stage of Oreo writing. And lastly, some transition words for when you write your opinion. Again, at the end, you want to say something like, in conclusion, again, I think, in closing, in conclusion, my opinion is. These are some transition words to help you flow in your writing. The more details that you put for your reason and example, the stronger your writing will be for opinion writing. Now, I like Oreos, boys and girls, but my best part about eating a good Oreo is I like double stuffed Oreos. They are the best. So in your writing, you want to stuff this cookie with as much details, as much support, examples that you can in your writing to get the best opinion writing. You can write this as an essay, you can write an opinion paragraph. So anytime you're asked, what do you think? How do you feel? What is your perspective? You can use Oreo writing. You can use this Oreo strategy to incorporate your opinion into your writing. Boys and girls, this is a good technique to use, and you can use it anytime. When you're asked an opinion question, think Oreo.